Jayoe!
Jayoe! There you go. I have a nice day to do this. It's going to be sunny. I have to make sure to put on my sunscreen. But the first day of the Jayoe tour around the world looks like it's going to be pretty nice. It's pretty sentimental though, leaving my life behind.
I'm actually getting quite nervous as the days progress because I'm about to start an epic adventure that's going to change my life. For the next 5 years, I'm going to zigzag around the globe. Just me, my camera, riding this trike. I hope that maybe you can become inspired, as I have become inspired, to take the first step towards risking it all to live the life of your dreams.
This is Ningbo. It's a city on the east coast of China, and it's going to be the starting point for my journey around the world.
I've laid out a path that I would like to stick to as I travel around the world. I designed it so that I could cross through and check off most of the things I've ever wanted to do with my life, as well as see the places I've always wanted to see in my life.
People often ask me, what does Jayoe mean? Jayoe. Literally, they mean add fuel, but it can also mean much, much more. Jayoe can be the phrase that helps support someone pursuing their dream.
One man, one world, no turning back. You're gonna meet who I meet. You're gonna see what I see. And hopefully, you can become inspired like I've become inspired. So get ready, get set, leave it all behind, and Jayoe.
Jayoe!
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 Jayoe. City turned to village. Village turned to countryside. Evening was coming gradually, and my sights were set on finishing the day somewhat uneventfully. Unbeknownst to me, fate had a different plan.
I just got hit by a car, a big truck. My shoulder is fucked. Hey everybody. I wish I could have given you a nice, happy update, but I got hit from behind. A big truck came and ran over me. I think I broke my shoulder and dislocated it, definitely. And my legs work, my lungs work, but the trike and my stuff are toast. my clavicle is broken and all these nice people are here with me. And I've got some difficult choices I have to force on myself.
How many months until I can put weight on it? Until I can do a push-up.
Push up 6 months.
Seems like a long time. I should be somewhere in Southeast Asia, pedaling down tropical roads and exploring exotic locales. Not a care in the world. But sometimes, forces beyond your control send you all the way back to where you started. Miles away from where you were, forcing you to confront some tough choices. Do you let defeat get the better of you? Or do you choose to start all over again?
Very, very slim possibility, but I thought that if I was to depart this earth for some god-awful reason, I wouldn't want to leave without having a final word to the people that I care about. This is not about getting from point A to point B. It's about the in-between. I'm going to do some of the most amazing things that I can imagine, and I'm going to add on some amazing things I can't imagine while I'm on the road. My trip is going to take me through over 100 countries, through deserts and mountains and plains and across rivers and through cities. It's going to expose me to cultures and people and places that I'm so excited to expose myself to. A lot of people ask me, why are you doing this? What's the meaning? What is the purpose? And the purpose is to experience life. I mean, isn't that what the most important thing is? You can sit behind a desk or you can go out and you experience the world. And for some people, sitting behind a desk is satisfactory for them, but not for me. I want to get out, and I've gotten that taste in my mouth of what the world has to offer. It's just a taste, but I want more. And I want to drink from the cup of life. I want to drink the fuel that is experiencing the world at its greatest points. That fuel that can make me love life even more. The mantra, the motto of my trip is Jayoe. In Chinese, Ja means add and Yo means fuel. It's a phrase that's chanted at people when they're trying to do something that they don't believe maybe they can do. You say, Jayoe, add fuel. Do the best you can, Jayoe. Well, for me, I am going to add that fuel to my life. And that fuel is in the form of all the traveling I'm going to do and all the people I'm going to meet. I am the personification of Jayoe, and my journey is in hopes of finding other people that have that same desire to add fuel to their life in some amazing way to enhance what they're doing. Whether it's the fisherman that is Jayoe doing the best he can, or the mountain climber that Jayoe is climbing the biggest mountain, or the swimmer that Jayoe is swimming across that ocean. I am going to expose myself to some of the most amazing people in all the parts of the world. And what's better than that, you know?